Darling, won't you dance with me? I wanna be the man that you're holding on to. Come on, take a chance on me. The music's feeling right, baby, we can't lose. Yeah, you and me together, spinning like a record. Let me take you off of your feet. Darling, won't you dance? Dance with me. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Boys to Boys Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you this great song. I went country dancing over the weekend, and this was a song that I heard and I love it, so I'm going to play it for you. So yeah, please hit like and subscribe so you get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future. So this song has a capo on the 4th fret, and it's in standard tuning. So it's not going to be the easiest song you've ever played, but I'm going to show you a way to play it that's very easy. I'm going to show you 2 different strumming patterns. I am not saying this is the actual way that the song is played, but it is close, and it's the right. I think it's the right chords and stuff like that. So I'm just going to show you a way that's kind of more for beginners, but that I think is really good. So, and it's a way that you can play it and sing it at the same time. So you're going to start this song with just doing a D chord, okay? So that's the strumming pattern you're going to do. You're only going to do D for the intro, okay? So you're just going to do down, mute, okay? Down, mute, down, mute. So you do down, mute, down, up, mute, down, mute, down, up, mute. So you're just doing that down, mute, down, up, mute, down, mute, down, up, mute, down, mute, down, up, mute, down, mute, down, up, mute. Okay, and notice I'm kind of doing like a longer, like something like that. You don't have to, but that's how I'm doing it. So you just do down, mute, down, up, mute, down, mute, down, up, mute, down, mute, down, up, mute, down, up, down. Well, it's hot, and then you're just going to stay, after you do that 4 times, you're going to go into well, it's hot, and stay on D. Well, it's hot in Nevada, and I ain't had a lot of luck. So luck, you're going to do B minor, okay? Luck since I came into town, but I knew, okay, so on new is where you're going to go to G. But I knew I was on it as soon as you came walking up. Up is where you're going to do A. Up, I was laying down, something about the way. Okay, and then you're going to start over. So you're just doing D, B minor, G, A. You're going to do that again now for this pre-chorus part. So you're going to do something about the way. Way is D. Way you look tonight, shining brighter than those neon. So the neon is where you do B minor. Neon Vegas lights, I'm feeling like I wanna. Okay, so wanna is where you're going to do G. Wanna roll the dice and try my luck with you. So love with you, and then you're going to do A. So you're going to do, and then at the end, you're going to do A and then A7. So for A7, you keep your middle finger on, and you take the rest off, and then you put your ring finger, all right? It's going to go on the B string on the 2nd fret in relation to the capo, just like that. So you do just like that, and then you're gonna do darling, won't you dance? So you're just gonna do single strum, 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 darling, won't you dance? And then for dance, you just do E minor 7. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the other strumming pattern after I show you how to get through this stuff, because it's a little bit harder. It's just you're just adding a little bit more, but I'm gonna show you that after, so stay tuned. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna do darling, won't you dance? So dance is E minor 7. Dance with me, I wanna be the man. I'm gonna show you the strumming for the chorus in a second. It's just, you can do it the same as you did at the beginning of the song. I'm gonna show you with that. I'm just trying to show you where the chords go right now. So you do, I wanna be the man. Okay, man is D. Man that you're holding on to. Come on, take a chance. So chance is E minor 7. Chance on me, the music's feeling right. Right is D. Right, baby, we can't lose. Yeah, you. So you is E minor 7. You and me together, spinning. So spinning is where you do that A7 again. So it's the one that was close to A, but it's just A7. All right, so just those 2 fingers that I showed you before. Spinning like a record. Okay, so here you can do one of 2 chords. All right, so you can do B minor. All right, If that one's easier for you, do that. You can do let me sweep you off. So you do let would be B minor. Let me sweep you off of your feet. Okay, so if you, instead of doing B minor though, you could do B minor 7. Okay, so for that you're going to put your middle finger. It's going to go on the 2nd fret. I mean, you can use whatever fingers you want. These are what I use. So you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, and then your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and then your pinky finger goes on the 2nd fret on the little E string, like that. Let me sweep you off of your feet. Now that's an easier transition from that to the next chord, which is E7. So it's just E, but you don't use your ring finger. So you're just going to do it like this. So you could do, let me sweep you off of your feet. So then feet is E7, feet. Darling, won't you dance? So dance is E minor 7, dance. And then you're going to do A. So you're kind of like A, and then lift it off a little bit. A. So where you're pushing down with this hand, with this hand, okay, you're going to do A. So you're going to lift it up a little bit. See that? A. So A. And the second one you hold it down. Dance with me. And then you do on D, on me you do D. Okay, so the way that you could, the other way you can play the chorus, instead of just doing, darling, take a chance on me, I wanna be the man that you're holding on to. So you're gonna add an extra. So you would do like this. Darling, won't you dance with me? I wanna be the man that you're holding on to. Won't you take a chance on me? See how I'm doing? So you're just adding that down up, that extra down up in. So the way it would go, that you played the rest of the song, and you can actually do this either one, okay? I think this one's actually more correct, but you can do either one that you want. So you can do, so the other way would be, darling, won't you dance with me? See how I'm not doing that extra down up in there? I wanna be the man that you're holding on to. Come on, take a chance on me. The music's feeling right, baby, we can't lose. See there, I just added it in though. Alright, so that's if you want to do it that way. You don't have to, you can do it the other way the whole time. Now, the rest of the song is exactly the same, except for the bridge is going to be a little bit different. So when you go to the bridge, you're going to do B minor 7. You could just do B minor, but I think it sounds better with B minor 7. So you're going to do, all you gotta do is take my hand. So you start with B minor 7. All you gotta do is take my hand. Then hand you would do B minor. Or you could just do B minor twice, B minor 7 twice if that's easier. It won't sound quite as good, but you could do it that way. Take my hand. And then you're going to do D and give me a shot. Alright, so you could do single strums here, or you can actually do the same string you were doing before. Give me a shot. Yeah. So then, yeah, you would do G. Yeah, it's true, I'm a gambling man. And then you do A right before girl. Girl, I'm liking my odds. So you could do, all you gotta do is take my hand and give me a shot. Yeah, it's true, I'm a gambling man. Girl, I'm liking my odds. Darling, won't you dance? So then when you start that last chorus, you're just going to do, darling, won't you dance? You're just going to do a single strum. Dance with me. I want to be the man that you're holding on to. So you're going to go, and you're not going to do any strumming other than on the E minor 7 for the first line other than one single strum. Okay? So that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. Give me more requests in the comment section, and I'll do my best to get to them. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.